Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your referrals with HostGator, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your referrals with HostGator, begin by logging into your HostGator affiliate account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard section. On the dashboard, look for the Reports tab located in the menu. Click on the Reports tab to access your referral statistics. Under the Reports section, find the Referral Summary option. This section will display a summary of your referrals, including their current status. To dive deeper, click on the specific referral link you want to verify. Review the details provided, including the date, status, and any commissions earned. If the referral is marked as pending, this means that it has yet to be approved. Referrals may take some time to process due to different verification mechanisms. Make sure to check if the referred customer has completed the required actions for the referral to be confirmed. If a referral is denied, you can usually find the reason in the status notes. Remember to keep track of your referral performance regularly. Utilizing the information provided can help you strategize for future referrals. If you encounter any discrepancies, reach out to HostGator's support team for assistance. They can provide clarification and help you understand the referral process better. With these steps, you can efficiently verify your referrals with HostGator. Stay engaged with your affiliate account to maximize your potential earnings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.